Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I am super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the DXZ 2026 A4 DTF printer with roll feeder, XP600, a game changer in the world of DIY printing, especially for those who love creating their own custom t-shirts and other fabrics. This printer is packed with innovative features that will take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about the incredible value you get with the purchase of this printer. With your buy, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink. We're talking 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 G of powder. This is not just any ink. It's designed to last, and the best part is, you get a new set every 2 months, with you only needing to cover the shipping. This is a huge cost saver and ensures that you can keep on printing without worrying about running out of ink anytime soon. Imagine being able to create hundreds of custom t-shirts, bags, or any other fabric items you can think of without the constant concern of ink supplies depleting. It's a dream come true for DIY enthusiasts and small business owners alike. Another key feature that really stood out to me is the optimized productivity of the DXZ 2026 A4 DTF printer. This printer boasts a built-in cutter, which not only saves film but also ensures effortless operation, making your printing process smoother and more efficient. The upgraded roller feeder is also a significant improvement, reducing film feeding issues and minimizing jamming. This means you can print continuously without interruptions, which is a huge time saver. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this printer's streamlined process will make your printing experience a joy. Plus, with its ability to handle rolls or sheets up to 8.27 inch wide, you have the flexibility to print on a variety of materials and sizes, from small crafts to large-scale designs. The DXZ DTF printer also features a white ink mixing system and a semi-automatic cleaning system, which is a total game changer. Say goodbye to the hassle of clogged printheads and uneven ink flow. This system ensures that your white ink flows smoothly, giving you vibrant prints on both light and dark fabrics. The precision and quality of the prints are truly impressive, and the fact that it's designed to minimize maintenance means you can focus on what matters most: creating amazing designs and products. Now, let's talk about the printing speed and quality. The XP600 6-color printhead on this printer offers twice the printing speed of L1800 and L805 printheads, which is incredibly fast. But speed isn't the only thing that's impressive. The resolution is a super high 2800x1400 dpi, producing vibrant colors, crisp details, and excellent saturation. Whether you're printing on t-shirts, crafts, bags, hats, or any other fabric, the results are professional grade. The 100% transfer rate means that your designs will come out perfectly, without any loss of quality. This is perfect for anyone looking to create custom products, whether as a hobby or as part of a business. In conclusion, the DXZ 2026 A4 DTF printer with roll feeder, XP600, is an absolute powerhouse. With its 2-year ink supply, optimized productivity, upgraded features like the white ink mixing system, and remarkable printing speed and quality, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their DIY printing to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, this printer has the potential to unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. So, if you're as excited about this printer as I am, be sure to find the link in the description below to get your hands